Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to Melda 242. I am Melda, and today I will be preparing for you baby back barbecue ribs in the oven. If you want to see how this is prepared, then continue watching. Okay, right now I have 3 slabs of ribs, and I'm just pulling off the membrane. The ribs are in water and vinegar. I've already washed them with water and vinegar. So I'm just pulling off the membrane. We don't need that. So just yank off every bit. That's just going to block the seasoning from getting through, because you want to season both sides. Take all off. That's the membrane. 3 nice slabs and a couple slices of pork chops. Just peel it off, just like that. Okay, now I'm just patting them dry with a piece of paper towel, just taking off the excess water. Now that's my dry rub. I've included all of these seasoning right here. Make my own dry rub. They're right there on the left. All of the measurements. Mix them all together. Then I'm going to massage these bad boys. Massage them to death on both sides. Just rub it in. First, I'm going to begin with the lime, with a half of this lime. Work this first. So you want to make sure that the ribs are completely dried. No more liquid. This should be the only liquid on it. This is to make sure that the rub sticks. Need a little citrus when you're seasoning meat. Here I am. Okay, it's time for the rub. So you have to work it. Work this rub on both sides. Work it. Just press it in. I am rubbing and pressing. Barbecue baby back ribs in the oven. These are going to be better than outdoor grill. Oh, I almost forgot the minced garlic. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of this to my dry rub. It's minced garlic. All right. Work that together. Just use whatever seasonings you have and mix them together. Be sure to add a little bit of sugar now too, so that you wouldn't have an upset stomach. Just a little bit of sugar would do the trick. So I have to work this. All right. Just like that. Just work it. Work it, work it, work it. This is Melda 242 barbecue baby back ribs. Now it's time for the thyme. About a teaspoon of thyme. Just pulling off the leaves. Now I'm gonna rub those through. Press them in. All right. Melda's baby back barbecue ribs. Here we come. Okay, now I'm resting each slab on its own foil. I'm just gonna cover them down tightly so that they can just do their thing in the foil. The steam will help them to get succulent, juicy, moist. And I'm going to allow them to rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before adding them to the foil pan for the oven. Okay, the same seasoning will be done for the ribs. Same thing. Don't go nowhere. Stay right here and watch. You might learn something today. I'm doing all the hard work for you, so just watch. I appreciate each and every one of you. Just rub it in. All right, it's time for the pan. Okay, the oven is already preheated for 350, and I'm gonna allow these to work themselves in this heat for about 45 minutes until they are fork tender. Okay, now I'm preparing the pan for the pork chops. I don't know why, I just like to add foil. Makes it easy to clean. I don't have to worry about nothing sticking to the pan. Just rip the paper out. Washed it the regular way. No scrubbing and all that for me. Fold it down to keep the steam inside. And then you just remove the foil when it's almost finished. So that should only go for about 20 minutes or so. Now that's the bad boy right there. That's the magic right there in that container. I just whipped it up in my magic bullet. That's my husband's secret sauce. This is hot. Oh my word. They are ready for the dressing. They're ready for the sauce. Okay. This sauce is gonna set it off. Okay. Oh my word. I will drop a video on this one of these days. The sauce, how he makes it for you. So I'm gonna paint both sides. These are gonna be so good. Both sides are gonna get some of this goodness. That's why you have to remove the membrane. Because if you don't, the seasonings as well as the barbecue sauce will not go through the other side. You don't need the membrane. Oh my word. Just like that. Now I have the sauce on. I'm just working the liquid that's in the foil, making sure that it is distributed evenly. Now when I put these back into the oven, I will not cover them down. So I'm gonna allow them to just allow the barbecue sauce to just work, do its thing on this ribs today, so that it can stick. Hug it. So I'm not going to cover it down. Everything is going to be opened. And then they're going to go for about 15 minutes. So I'm bringing it home. This sauce is really going to bring it home. I'm still bringing the restaurant home to my family, so please stay tuned. Okay. Open them up. Just like that. Barbecue baby back ribs in the oven. This sauce is delicious. Sweet, tangy, not too spicy, just right. Oh my word. We have enough meat for Sunday as well as Monday. Now the same thing is going to be done to the pork chops. Oh, there you have it. That's the full meal. Barbecue ribs after 15 minutes. Oh my word. Just look at them. Nice. And they're really, really soft. That's what I am talking about right there. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. Give me a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it. Share me out. God bless you, and I will see you in the next one.